Hi, this is Maryam from Crochet Tutorial, and today we want to learn how to crochet Dogwood Flowers granny square. I used this color of yarn, 3.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, and scissors. Let's get started! To begin, grab your yarn and make a knot. Chain 10 and make a slip stitch to the first chain to create a circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and make a slip stitch to the first chain both loops to create a circle. Then make 5 double crochets inside the ring. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Remember that. This is my first double crochet. Now start making the other 4 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again make 5 double crochets inside the ring. Then chain 7 and repeat this process for 2 more times. At the end of the row, chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Our first double crochet was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make it in that second chain in both loops to complete this row. And this is the end of row 1. Row 2, make a double crochet into the same stitch that we're in. As I told you, my first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make another double crochet into the next stitch. Into the next stitch, make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Chain 2. Into the next chain 7 space, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make 3 more double crochets into the same chain space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2. Make 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Two double crochets into the next stitch. And 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. And repeat this pattern to the end of the row. Chain 2, make 3 double crochets into the next chain stitch. Chain 5, make 3 double crochets into the same chain stitch. Chain 2, and repeat this process to the end. At the end of the row, chain 2 and make a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Next row, chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, insert it, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, insert it, pull it through 2 loops, and do it one more time. Now you have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all 6 loops. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We reached the group of 3 double crochets. Skip the first one and make a double crochet into the second stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Into our chain 5 space, make 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the next double crochet and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to make another cluster. We reached the group of 6 double crochets. Yarn over, insert it into the first one, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, insert it into the next stitch, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and repeat it for all 6 stitches. Only yarn over, pull it through first 2 loops. At the beginning of the row, this step we had 6 loops on the hook. Now we have 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through all 7 loops. Chain 5 and repeat this pattern to the end. At the end of the row, chain 5 and make a slip stitch to the first cluster. Next row, make a single crochet into the same stitch that we're in. If you think you might lose your first stitch, mark it with a marker. Into the next chain 5 space, make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Make 1 single crochet into the next double crochet. Into the next chain 3 space, make 3 single crochets. 2 and 3. Make 1 single crochet into the next double crochet. And 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Into the next chain 2 space, make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Make 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Make 3 single crochets into the next chain space. 1, 2, and 3. 1 single crochet into the next double crochet. 3 single crochets into the next chain space. 1, 2, and 3. 1 single crochet into the next cluster, and repeat this pattern to the end. Make 3 single crochets into each of our chain spaces and 1 single crochet into each of our stitches to the end of the row, and at the end of the row make a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Then chain 1 and cut the yarn. At the end of the row, weave in all ends and we'll be done. I wove in all ends and our Dogwood Flowers granny square is ready to use. Hope you like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, write your comments down below, turn on post notifications and share it to your friends. See you next tutorials. Bye!